up and having coffee and just enjoying the quiet morning at our campground. Dogs have been out to go potty, me too, and we're just relaxing and having our early breakfast. I'll have another late breakfast in an hour or so. But for now, this is comfort. Yeah, it's morning. And all I care about right now is coffee and a little breakfast. So here's our camp set up outside. It's been raining, so my friend Shelly brought her Easy Up, and I had these shower curtains from my makeshift shower from when I was going out to the BLMs, and this sidewall tarp thing that I had. I was trying to use for an awning. It didn't work out, and then went to the dollar store and got a couple more plastic shower curtains and completely enclosed our little space here so we could continue enjoying our camping. So that is our cozy little nook. Hoping that tomorrow will be a little more sun and not so much rain. It's just been raining pretty much non-stop, off and on, for a couple days now, since I've been here, 2 days. So hopefully it gets better. The weather gets better, so. And you probably saw that the dog tent didn't work out so well because the rain fly isn't big enough to cover the vent holes, air holes in the sides. So all the rain just went right in, and the dogs won't have anything to do with it now. So I'm going to try to get it returned. I'm hoping it'll dry out before then. Okay, I got to put it back in fold it up and put it back in the van. All right.